Hello lovely people. In today's video we will learn how to choose the right concealer shade and give full coverage to pigmented skin and dark circles. I will first start with skin preparation. It is very important to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized. I am using Herbs & More face mist to hydrate the skin. Then apply moisturizer evenly on the skin, followed by a lip balm for lips. Now use a damp blender to remove excess moisturizer. So I will use shade number C02 from Rang De Dark Concealer Palette as corrector and shade number 008 and 009 to conceal. So I have mixed these two shades to make a shade that is close to her skin shade. So I will start applying this to areas with discoloration, like under the eye, a little bit on chin and upper lip areas. There is slight discoloration around the forehead also. One important thing, never use corrector on your entire face. This is just to even out discolored areas. Always use a very thin layer for eyelids if they are dark. I prefer using my fingers to blend it. And we should keep dabbing until it gets merged well with the skin. So far we have concealed areas with discoloration. And now we will use a very small quantity of concealer to make skin look even. Always remember that foundation and concealer must be in natural skin tone colors. Like for her skin, I have used shade number 008 and 009. Then if you see any concealing spot, then just take concealer on your fingertips and dab it on the spot. You can do it for acne and acne scars. Now we need to powder very lightly and softly just to set it. Now I am using Lavi shade from Rang De Lip Color Palette to give little depth. Being creamy in nature, these products leave a sheen which looks very natural. Now I will use Rang De Kajal to put eyeliner. And I would slightly smudge it. Then we will apply kajal. We can use little darker shades for blush as they look really pretty on deeper skin tones. I will now mix Raz and Madhubani from Rang palette and will use it as a stain, not as a lipstick. You can also mix your gloss and lipstick to use it like a lip gloss. You can put Heer shade from lip palette in the center of the eyelids to get instant highlight. And now you are ready.